Ah! Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy DJ Carter here. Welcome back to more Happy Wheels, episode 50. So, I don't have my computer yet, but I'm still gonna use a freaking Chromebook. I don't care. But, yes, we're back on this freaking Happy Wheels, episode 50. We're halfway there to freaking episode 100. Let's just get it. I don't know why I say freaking a lot. Just, let's get it. Let's go. Alright, we're back up in here, boy. Let's go. Okay. So now, why am I on here? I'm supposed to be browsing freaking levels. Um. Okay. So I almost forgot the play count, and let's restart it. But okay. Let's see. Try. Let's try the first one. If y'all want to make levels for me, just comment down in my video. Say I made a level for me. That's named D. John Carter. Same thing as my YouTube channel. Just tell me in the comments, and I'll make another video of that. Yeah. Okay. Star Wars. Let's see what we get on this one. Press space to start. Okay. I don't know how people make these kind of games though. Oh yeah, PS. I've been playing other games, but that has been a fail. One of them I could have made it, but the watermark and all that, I was like, come on, screw it. I'm just gonna play some freaking Happy Wheels. So this is that easy. You just turn left and right. This is not even Happy Wheels anymore. What is this? Okay, just flying around. Just... Bro, this is so easy. Can I like shoot or anything? There's no shooting. Bruh, this is dumb. Now I'm killing myself. Boom. Game over. I don't care. Screw that. Next one's Pogo Fight. Let's go. Rate 5 to... Oh, that old trick. Rate 5 to unlock. Boy, please. Wait, hold on. I forgot to read these. Googa Googa. She loves Bad Bunny. I don't even know what that is. Whoa! No! Let's try this again. Alright, screw her and then backflip on that. Okay. Oh, look, it's Justin Bieber. How old is he? Freaking 56? Ah! Okay. Stole your iPhone? I don't iPhones are trash, so I don't care if you die. Just go ahead and take it. I don't need it. I was gonna destroy it anyway. Shut up. I don't want to hear your freaking nonsense. Shut up! Bro, he's just screaming, my boy. He just... Alright. Ah! Mixer, Greg. I don't... Wait. Click the buttons to turn tracks on and off. Music plays with your musical creations. Look at that guy dancing. I don't think I can see it because my camera's in the way. Bro, how was this play count? What is this now? Oh, we got another sword throw. Good pro win. Okay, so we got a boom. It done, no. Okay, now, come on, get the freak. Bam! Missed it. That's nice. Boom! Okay. Oh, yeah. Bro, roll down. There you go. There you go. Win. Okay, ball fall. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Oof. Yes. Oof. Yes. Yes. Wait 7. Why would you wait 7 seconds? Okay. Roll down. Do something with that. Simple. Simple as that. Hard matrix. Oh, crap. Is that first try, or am I just good at Happy Wheels? Maybe both. Maybe both. I'm a legend at Happy Wheels. Escape YouTube. I don't want to do that. It's like escaping your job. Escape the video. Almost the button worked. Okay. Alright, we're gonna try this guy because you know it's ultra hard Happy Wheels. Sub for more. Can I like exit out? Can I like I can't escape that. Alright, so what I'm gonna have to do is change my character to this guy. Can I like it? I wanna like it. I can't like it. I don't. Sub from Word. No bully. Alright, so we're inside YouTube. Oh, snap. What? Whoa. Why are these levels so easy? Why the freak are these levels so easy? 2 harpoons. Try to get to the fastest time. How was that English? And why the freak? I didn't even see that because my freaking camera's in. Woo! That is so freaking loud. Like, jeez. That is like bursting my ears. Boom! Ooh! Try this again. Boom! So freaking close. Boom! Boom! Oh! Who's the king? Who's the king? Even though I died like a couple of times, but you know. Let's get it. Leg it. CW fight. What? Oh, god dang it. Freaking more of these joints. Don't you dare touch me with that freaking fake swords. I swear to goodness. The Flash. Boy, the Flash is some trash. Get it? Because it rhymes. Oh. What? Okay. Okay, make those weird sounds. Boom! Okay. Come on! Get up! Don't you dare. He could have at least act like freaking... Okay, it actually did work, but you know, it was not like regular. Come on! That's enough. That's enough. That's a freak enough. Oh my! I just freaking. Oh, come on! Why did I do that? Okay. Why? Another one. So, it's Spanish. What? Yes! A rope swing. Boom! I'm about to sneeze. God dang it. Oh! Hate those wait for freaking 3 seconds. God dang it, my freaking legs. Wait for 3 seconds. I'm about to fail. I'm about to fail. God dang it. Let's try this again. Boom! Boom! Okay. Boom. 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 The king. The king. God. Oh. Well, guys, if you guys enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. It's gonna be a double upload, a Nintendo 64 game coming your way, and it's gonna be actually be lit. It's not gonna be funny, but what we're gonna play next is going to be lit. But don't forget to subscribe, comment. Yes, Happy Wheels 50. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.